Meaning of gunfighter.
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 Gunfighter. Gunfighter is a term used to describe individuals who are skilled in the use of firearms and are known for their expertise in gun-related activities such as hunting, shooting contests, or duels. Typically associated with the American Old West, gunfighters were often portrayed as heroic figures or anti-heroes in popular culture. However, the reality of gunfighting involved dangerous and violent encounters that often resulted in injury or death. Today, gunfighter has become a generic term for anyone who is highly skilled with guns, and is still celebrated in various forms of entertainment.